Hey, Koi. Oh, there's a train. It's still going.
Can I press it?
Do you have your speed coil?
The camera roll? No, don't go in it.
Oh, I can't. I have to.
Is the camera going?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, guys? Where's your no? Did you go?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I'm in the noob.
Ranger. Oh, I fell down.
Koi, jump. Don't let it suck you up.
Oh, I fell.
Oh.
I died.
There's the
Sword
island.
that they killed everything. There you are.
Their pieces just fall.
You're right there. Guys, I am Koi Diamond 101.
9. Tsunami incoming.
Yeah. No, I'm stuck in this.
Koi. Oh man, poor Koi. He's stuck in the
Oh,
dumpster.
shoot.
What have they done to you? They thought you weren't worth anything,
I know.
so they threw you in the dumpster.
Oh, shoot.
There's a tsunami.
That was dumb.
Yes, I survived. Click the button.
Oh,
Tornado!
Oh, I got sucked up. Oh,
Oh no, it's sucking me up.
no. Oh, no.
No, I'm still in the air. Yes, didn't kill me.
Oh, I got sucked up.
Koi. Oh, poor Koi.
Whoa.
Oh man, I'm sucked up.
I'm still in the air.
I just barely missed the island.
Oh no! Oh, I died. Right when. Come on.
Ha,
So
I'm still falling.
I am too. Oh, there you go.
That was so dumb.
Oh, tsunami. I'm not gonna get stuck this time.
In the dumpsters.
That was dumb.
What the? Okay.
Yeah, I made it.
Already?
Come on, bridge.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh.
Run! Oh, it killed
I
me.
made it.
Wait a minute. The tsunami went past, but I didn't die.
Oh, you lucky brother.
Strange.
Tsunami incoming. Oh.
What
Oh,
the?
yes.
The swords.
Oh, I got killed. Oh, we might have swords in heaven.
No. I got killed too.
I had my sword. No.
No, I died. With no sword. Nope. I got a cookie.
I got a cookie too.
I'm gonna cheer for him.
Woo woo. Number 1. I got that thing too.
He's the first. The best of all of them.
He's the first. Alright,
Oh!
oh yeah.
Hey, where's my sword?
Here.
He just killed me. That was no fair.
Kill this person that was a champ.
I'm cheering for you.
Oh.
Oh man. There's no one to cheer for now. 19, 16, 15, 14,
Everybody's
13.
dead besides that one guy.
He's a lucky. We're gonna drop and he's gonna kill us all. Koi, what have you done?
Nothing, I just have my spring. I love spinners.
Lava. Oh no.
Lava spinners, I love this one.
I'm gonna die. Oh man. What a rip.
Oh dang. How's that guy not dead yet? I don't want to play ninjas.
the second. Oh no!
This one's so dumb. What is dog sing or whatever?
I don't
I
know.
died.
What?
I
Looks like you're
died.
still alive.
What the? Oh,
What the?
boulders.
The train is still right
I
there.
can't even see the boulders. Oh, I didn't even see them.
What is up with that train?
I don't know. I died because of the train.
What?
Hopefully
Okay.
It's not. Boom. I'm playing ninjas.
Yeah, that's the end of the video.
No. Oh, yeah. Make sure to like.